You got a brand new luxury car. How bad can the paint be, right? You'd be surprised. Today we've got a brand new Bentley Continental. It is one of my absolute favorite cars. This car is so sexy, great lines, and the horsepower to back it up. And today we're going to show you front to back what we do to not only inspect this paint, but restore it and preserve it. So with any vehicle, before we start doing any kind of work, we actually have to be able to see the paint. And so how do we get the paint in its naked form? We got to do a decontamination wash. That involves using a 3-bucket wash to clean the paint, glass, and wheels. The 3rd bucket is used for wheels exclusively so that we don't scratch up the paint. Speaking of scratches, you'll see why this wash process is important, because if you neglect it, even new paint can start looking like old paint pretty fast. So we're going to go through, wash the car, but we're also going to do a decontamination, which has us not only do a clay bar to pull out embedded contaminants that are stuck in the paint, but we'll be doing a chemical decontamination to remove things like iron, tar, tree sap, and bird poop that's embedded in the paint, right? Those things, we have to dissolve it out of the paint. And once we do all of those things, now we can pull it inside and see the naked paint. On this Bentley, we're going to have 3 sections for you guys to take a look at. Keep in mind, this is a brand new vehicle. On this side, we're going to do a 1-step paint correction. We'll have the control in the middle, and then we're going to do a 2-step paint correction on this side here. Essentially, you're going to pair a pad with a compound or a polish that makes sense, right? So a 1-step paint correction is usually one where you use a really mild pad with a really mild kind of in-between polish, where this can cut enough, but then also give it a good enough finish so it doesn't really mar the finish. So as the name suggests, a 1-step paint correction does most things pretty good. On certain vehicles, especially like black, like this Bentley, they're going to need a 2-step paint correction where we do a much more aggressive cut. So this right here gets a lot more of the deeper swirl marks and scratches and imperfections out of the paint, but it requires a polish to finish it out. I'm going to show you what both of those look like. For most new cars, a 1-step paint correction is going to be more than suffice to get the finish that you're looking for. Sometimes, especially for like flat black paint like what's on this Bentley, you're going to need a 2-step to get the same kind of result that you would on, let's say, a flake paint, where it can hide a lot of these scratches and swirl marks. So the 1-step paint correction will get rid of a lot of the scratches, but not all of them. But it'll also give you a pretty decent finish, and as the name suggests, it tries to do this all in 1 step. So the 1-step paint correction will get rid of a lot of the swirl marks and scratches, but if you look really closely, like, it doesn't get rid of all of them. And keep in mind, guys, this is a new car, and it's still kind of, you know, like, it's fine. The 1-step is good for most of my clients, but on a car like a Bentley like this, I would definitely do the 2-step to get a crystal clear finish. So now we're going to do the 2-step paint correction. So much more aggressive cutting pad to get rid of the deeper scratches, but then more importantly, we're going to follow it up with a very soft foam pad to finish out the paint, and that is how we're going to get crystal clear factory paint. This is Koch Chemi Red, and I really like this stuff. Cuts really good. I'm going to show you what that looks like. So the first step in a 2-step paint correction gets rid of all the heavy scratches, but it leaves behind this very fine marring that you're seeing. It looks kind of like a haze, right? So we're going to go and remove all of that using a very soft foam polishing pad. That's going to get rid of this and give you a crystal clear finish. So the second step, we're going to use a very soft foam polishing pad paired with Koch Chemi Purple, which is a very beautiful polish, and we're going to pair these two together to give you that very crystal clear finish. Here you guys go. After the 2-step paint correction, none of the hologramming or the minor marring that you're seeing. And so if we take a step back, so if we look at the control from how it was, there you go. That's what that looks like. And finally, the 1-step paint correction, where it gets rid of some of it, but it definitely leaves some of it to be corrected, as you guys can see. with the paint correction done, the paint has been restored to a nice, clear finish. Now it's a good time to seal it in. Today we're going to be doing our next Zen ceramic coating. This particular coating is a very durable product. The way this product works is that when it bonds to paint, it builds a layer of non-stick chemical protection. So that means that dirt, bug guts, bird poop, tree sap, and grime have a harder time sticking to the paint and staining. Now this is really important because we're trying to mitigate this paint from getting all scratched up again, right? When you're washing your vehicle, right, if the vehicle is not non-stick, what happens is that dirt and contaminants, they cling onto paint. And so when you take your wash mitt and you slide it over the paint with that dirt, it scratches, causes those micro swirl marks, right? And in a short amount of time, you'll find that your paint is all scratched up. However, when it's treated with a ceramic coating that's very non-stick and chemical resistant, you'll find that those contaminants would rather roll off your paint with the soap and water so that when you do go to wash it by hand, you don't scratch your paint. And so this is a great way to maintain this beautiful finish that we worked so hard to get, all while keeping the car shiny and clean. With professional grade ceramic coatings like NextZen, what we're installing today, you have to apply them panel by panel. Pro grade coatings are a lot more concentrated and they're a lot easier to mess up compared to the consumer grade products that you can buy on Amazon. That means you have to take your time. You got to make sure that the coating cures properly, flashes properly, and then buff it off. If you do it too fast, you don't let the coating bond correctly and you mess it up. You do it too slow, boy, you're in for a workout because you'll be buffing off maple syrup. It'll cure very thick, right? So you got to time it just right. And that timing changes depending on the day. So for example, if it's a little warmer or a little cooler, or if it's a little more humid or a little bit more dry. So when you're coming to a pro grade shop, getting pro grade products, this is why you're paying a premium. It's a better product and it's a harder install. And there you guys have it. That is a full two-step paint correction and a ceramic coating on this beautiful Bentley Continental. You guys can see the condition of the car when it came in versus the condition that it's in now. Despite this car being brand new, it looks tremendously better. A lot of times my clients are surprised when they bring me a new vehicle and it looks like this, and it's rare, but it does happen, right? Especially for cars like this Bentley where sometimes they're a little bit slower to move. They sit on the lot a little longer. The dealership is constantly wiping that car down, causing those scratches. And even with a brand new vehicle, barely any miles on it, that's the condition of the paint that it can come in. So with a two-step paint correction like this, we cleared out that finish, made it crystal clear, made it like glass. Then we sealed it with that NextZen ceramic coating so it stays clean. And now this Bentley is good to go. So if you've got a brand new vehicle and you want the best, you want that finish to look pristine, and then you want to seal in that finish with a product that works, then this is the package for you. Packages like this start about $1,500, give or take, and it depends on the car, it depends on the durability of the coating. There's a lot of factors, but that's what our consultations are for. Hop on the call with me personally. Me and my brother Ben will pick up the phone. We'll talk to you. We go over the different options that make sense for your vehicle depending on how you drive it, and we'll find a package that makes sense. It's Jesse at Humble Car Auto Spa, and I'll talk to you later.